Hey y'all, welcome to At Home with Chef Jolie. Now if you're true to this and not new to this, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a really easy one-pot dish. It's my Italian chicken bake. There's penne pasta, Alfredo, spinach that your family won't even know it's in there. You can sneak it in, the kids won't know. Mushrooms, grilled chicken, and it's all baked with mozzarella cheese on top. And you know we had to season it with my adabaduya. Simple, simple, simple to make. So let's go get started. What's up, my foodie family? Today I am about to teach you how to make one of my famous recipes, my Italian chicken bake, or as my husband calls it, a one-hitter quitter. Right now I'm slicing up some mushrooms, and I know a lot of y'all don't like mushrooms, but once I season them with adabaduya and saute them, put them in the pasta, nobody will know, child. But if you're allergic or you just hate them, go ahead and leave them out. After the mushrooms, I am dicing up some chicken. This is grilled chicken that I grilled earlier. I got 4 6-ounce chicken breasts. It's going to be plenty. When we add it to the pasta, you're going to have at least 6 to 8 servings of the dish. So dicing up the chicken. Now this is everything for the pasta. I got some penne pasta that I've already made, and I'm adding the grilled chicken that I diced and incorporating it. And then after the chicken, I'm going to add those sauteed mushrooms that we seasoned with adabaduya. And, you know, after we add every ingredient, we just want to mix it in so that when you bite this pasta, every bite, you get a little of every bit of deliciousness. So now, spinach. This is just frozen spinach that we drained all of the liquid out. And this pasta, not only will your family love it, but look, you are sneaking in mushrooms. You're sneaking in spinach. And when you have those picky kids that don't want to eat their veggies, or those picky adults, you can put it all in this pasta. They'll never really know that it's in there because it's that good. So I just added that Alfredo, that pesto Alfredo that we made before in another video. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go and check that video out for that recipe. And we're just mixing everything in really well so that each piece of the penne is coated with that luscious Alfredo and that pesto. And you know I gotta dab it, right? I gotta add some adabaduya. If you haven't got your adabaduya, remember the link for that is down in the description. And remember, it's 40% less sodium than a lot of the other seasoned salts that are out there. So I'm continuing to whisk it or mix it all in. Now I have a casserole dish here that I sprayed with non-stick spray. Then I am taking some of my Alfredo and I am coating the bottom of the pan. That's so that the pasta, when we bake it, will remain nice and moist. So going in and adding all of our pasta. And before we top it with the mozzarella cheese, we're going to add some more of the Alfredo because we want to ensure that this pasta is nice and rich and creamy and that it doesn't dry out during the baking process. So once we get that all added to the top, we're going to then put our shredded mozzarella right on top before we bake it in the oven. And we're going to cover it with foil. Make sure you spray the top of your foil so the cheese doesn't stick as it starts to melt. You're going to bake it for about 30 minutes or so and then uncover it, let it get golden. I pop the oven up to a broil and I watch it really quickly so that it doesn't overcook. But look at it. You can put all this together and keep it in your fridge before baking it a couple of days. So when you're ready, pop it in the oven and it's delicious, y'all. Italian chicken bake. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, share my recipes, and turn on your notifications.